Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. It's that time of year again when the flowers are blooming, the birds are singing, and the air is filled with the promise of new beginnings. It's also the perfect time to get creative and make our homes feel festive and welcoming. And what better way to do that than by transforming our Easter tables to look absolutely fabulous? Whether you're hosting a big family gathering or a small intimate brunch, a beautifully set table can make all the difference. Let's dive right into transforming your Easter table from simple to stunning. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to those special touches that will wow your guests. First, let's talk about the basics. A clean, fresh tablecloth is the foundation of any great table setting. Start with a clean, fresh tablecloth in a pastel color or a classic white. Pastels are perfect for spring and add a soft, inviting touch to your table. This creates a blank canvas for all your decorations. Think of it as the backdrop for your masterpiece. Next, add some texture with a table runner. This can help define the space and add visual interest. Burlap is always a great choice because it adds a rustic touch, which is perfect for a cozy, homey feel. Or go for something floral to give it a spring vibe. Now for the centerpiece. This is where you can really let your personality shine. You don't need to go overboard. Sometimes less is more. A simple, elegant centerpiece can be just as impactful as a more elaborate one. A clear vase filled with fresh tulips or daffodils can do wonders. These flowers are quintessentially spring and add a burst of color to your table. If you're feeling crafty, create a DIY centerpiece with wooden bunnies, painted eggs, and some faux grass. This adds a playful, whimsical touch that guests of all ages will appreciate. Let's move on to the place settings. This is where you can really start to add those personal touches. For a simple yet elegant look, use white plates and silverware. This creates a clean, sophisticated base for your table setting. But here's a tip: add a colorful napkin or a napkin ring to make it pop. This small detail can add a lot of personality and flair to your table. Want to take it up a notch? Use personalized name cards. These are a great way to make each guest feel special and add a touch of elegance to your table. You can easily make these at home with some cardstock and a little bit of creativity. Get the kids involved for a fun family activity. Just write each guest's name in a fancy font and maybe add a small sticker or drawing. It's these little touches that show you care. Now for a fun touch, mini Easter baskets at each setting. These are not only adorable but also a great way to add some extra treats to your table. Fill them with chocolates, mini eggs, or even small toys for the kids. It's a delightful surprise that guests will love. Don't forget the candles. Candles add warmth and a cozy ambiance to any table. They create a soft, inviting glow that makes any meal feel special. Opt for scented candles and fresh spring scents like lavender or citrus. These scents are not only refreshing, but also help set the mood for a lovely spring gathering. Finally, sprinkle some small decorations like confetti eggs, tiny chicks, or even pastel-colored jelly beans around the table. These little details make a big difference. They add a touch of whimsy and fun that will delight your guests. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, your Easter table can go from basic to breathtaking. Remember, it's all about adding those little touches that show you care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Happy Easter! Happy Easter!